Hi Dressy Cuties! Today we're going to draw Ariana Grande from her music video Breathin. So let's get started. To draw Ariana, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm basically going to draw a very narrow bottom of a U. So I'll start about right here. Just draw a U, kind of like a thinner U. She has a thinner face, so I'm going to come up and bring it back. There. And I messed up already. I had a little too much right here. Okay, you didn't see that. Let me go in there and fix that. So she doesn't look too weird. And I won't have to start this video over. See, I do mess up all the time. Okay, there. I'll go in there and fix that a little bit later. Okay, so then from there, let's come and make this a little bit straighter. Let's come on the side right here where we started and draw her eyes. So I'm gonna add a little circle for eyes. Same thing on this side, towards the edge. Okay, so then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm gonna come in here with 2 circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, same thing on this side. Okay, so we have our eyes, and let's come in here with some gorgeous lashes. Come in with me, 3. Center one's going to be a little bit longer. And 1 more. So Ariana's got to have her lashes, right? So same thing over here. A shorter one, then a longer one, and then another shorter one. Maybe a little too extreme? Maybe. I think we're okay. So then from there, let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw her brow. Just a curve on top of her eye, about right there. There. And let's give her a sweet, sweet smile. So right here in the center, curve and cap it off. So I'm going to fix this now that's a little bit drier. Nothing white out won't fix, right? There. Okay. Now let's draw her forehead area, her hairline. So I'm going to come to the center. So imagine that kind of like an oval. So about right here, I'll give myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to go up slightly on both sides. I like to pull her hair all the way back. So I'm just going to come back in here and connect it to where I started. All the way back there. Now from there, let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw 1 ear on this side since we're going to see her ear. And basically just going to draw a curve and add some details to her ear. Add a little circle right here. Almost forgot her earring. And I'm going to come to the top right here where the center is. So about right here, I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to drag, curve all the way down. So the hair is kind of in that half ponytail. And tuck it back in here. And come to the side a little bit. So then from there, I'm going to stop. So in the center right here, I'm going to draw a curve. Little band where her hair is tied up. Connect it with a curve. And then from there, I'm going to go up, pop it up. And in this area, I'll just drag a curve down and finish off her head there. And now just bring this all the way down. And before we do that, let's bring this curve down. And as we come down, we can wave it a little bit towards her face. All that hair that she has, right? So amazing. Okay, so just kind of curve it, following that. And let's see if we're gonna see her ear. Drag just a little bit. So just give an indication of her ear on this side. And so then from there, let's give some details for her hair. So just come from the center, just draw some curves. It's so much easier to draw these kind of lines with a pencil. But here, I'm trying my best with a Sharpie. Okay, so then from there, we basically have some details in for her hair. Let's finish her hair off a little bit later. Let's give her a neck right here in the center. For a little outfit that chose in her music video. So give her a little shoulder. And imagine her armpits about right here. And I'm just gonna drag 2 angle lines down. Okay, so then from there, let's connect it. And come up here and connect it back to the center for a little top. And she has a little strap right here. Oh, and almost forgot, she has a little choker right here, so let's add that right now. There. And from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. So I'm going to draw a belt in this area, so I'm going to come to the center and just draw the buckle first. So hopefully I have this outfit correct, because the video is kind of a little dark. I'm gonna add a little belt right here. And she has this little strap that comes down from the belt. So I'm gonna come in here, extend this out, and connect it. Now let's come in here and give her a little hip area out, pop it out. And come to the center about, say right here, add a slight angle line and 2 angle lines out for her legs. And we're going to start to bring this down. But because I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, I'm going to stop about right here in this area and draw the pocket. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead all the way down. I'm going to stop right here and pop out this pocket. So pop it out. And then now we can continue for these pants. And same thing over here. So she's gonna have another pocket here. And down. Okay, so then come back in here with some details right in the center. You can add a little line, maybe a pocket. And let's come out. So we're going to start to flare these pants out. So we're going to taper it in and then flare out. And bring it in. But right there, I'll connect it. You can add some crease lines. Okay, so then now her boots. So just nice and straight down. And just bring them to a point. It's amazing how she's able to walk in such high heels, right? Okay, so we have that in. We can come in here for some details if you want it on her top right here. 2 center lines, curve right here, and another curve right there. Okay, so then now her arms, I'm having them really simple, just to her side, kind of flaring out a little bit. Curve it out. So let's bring in her thumb first in this area. So about right here, add a thumb and her fingers. So delicate. Okay, so same thing on this side. Curve out. So just to make sure it's around the pocket area right here. Right there, I'll add thumb and her fingers. There. Whew. Okay, so now let's draw her hair. I'm just going to bring this in, tuck it in. And this side she does have hair too because the ponytail is only half. So I'm just going to add some curve right there and tuck it in. And let's see here. Add a little earring right here. And I think that is pretty much it. Hopefully. Oh, yes, let's add a little heart right here because she is my Draw So Cute Ariana. I couldn't forget that, right? There, now my Ariana is complete. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.